morning, my lovelies. As you can see, it's happening. I finally get to filming styling video for my YouTube channel. I did assemble this rack by myself, and here I have some outfits prepared for you, which I'm just gonna style and show you how I wear it. Before I get there, I just want to show you who is the star of today's episode. It's going to be, as you know from the title, shorts. It's summer, yes, quarantine took spring away from us, but we still have summer. It's hot, we just want to go out there and finally wear something different than tracksuits and loungewear. It doesn't necessarily mean that just because it's summer and it's hot and the temperature is like, actually it's really hot here now, that we have to wear like jeans shorts all the time or only dresses or like skimpy t-shirts. No. We still can look elegant, classy, even when the temperature hit that boiling point, we can still look elegant. And for me, this is a staple. It is like thick linen. Those are shorts. They have all the good things about them. Everything is great. First of all, they are thick linen, so you feel it's so pleasant on the skin. Then it's neutral color palette, so it goes with everything. And number 3, it's high-waisted, so it's flattering on everyone. It has wide legs, so it makes your legs look skinnier and longer. What else do we need? And just because they have such a neutral look, you can dress them up and dress them down. You can make them dressy, you can make it party outfit, dinner outfit, date night outfit. Anything you really need. All you need is a couple of neutral color palette accessories and some pop of colors, and then you are good to go. I just prepared some neutral shoes in here and some neutral bags in here, so this is kind of a neutral section. And here I also got I also added something fun and pop of color, you know, just to have a bit of fun with our outfits, not to be that monochromatic. And here I'm going to show you how I will style that. Go for neutral color palette, monochromatic look, or the color of the gemstones, like deep navy blue, deep green, red, burgundy, like whatever gemstones colors are, and you choose outfit in these colors, it will always look elegant because it's such a sophisticated look and you just can't go wrong with mixing these type of colors, and usually they always go together. They all go good with white, beige, nude. Anyway, let's get started. I'm excited to film. Let's do it.
inspire you. Just inspire